Hey guys, this is an updated tutorial. Hopefully, YouTube won't take this down. Anyways, let's get started. First, I write my affirmations. I use Notepad to write them down. For this video, I'll be using these example affirmations. I won't teach you how to write affirmations, but I will link some videos down below. Second, I use a text-to-speech generator to voice the affirmations. If you don't want to use a text-to-speech program, I recommend using your real voice. I copy and paste my affirmations into the TTS generator and download them as an audio file. To record your own voice, make sure your voice is clear and pronouncing words clearly into a microphone. If you are on a mobile device, I'll link a video on how to make subliminals on mobile. Third, I pick out background noise for the subliminal. If you are making a silent subliminal, skip this part. I copy the link of the video with the sounds I want and download it using a YouTube downloader website. I'll link some down below if you need any. Fourth, start your program that you will be using. I use Davinci Resolve, but you can use iMovie or FLEURKURO. If you're using a phone, CapCut or iMovie are good options. Once you've started your program up, import all your audio files that you will be using for the subliminal. Now watch closely. Put your affirmation audio into one layer, then the background noise into the second layer. Again, for a silent subliminal, just put the affirmations in the one layer. Now, lower the volume of the affirmations to about where you can barely hear it at 20%, regular volume. This is so that the affirmations will be ingrained into your subconscious instead of your conscious. I like to lower the affirmations to about -35 to 45 decibels. This part is optional, but you can speed up the affirmations. If your affirmations are 1 to 5 minutes long, then I don't see the point of speeding up your affirmations. If I need to, I like to speed up my subliminals to around 2 or 3 times, 200% to 300% on some programs. The less sped up they are, the more effective the subliminal will be. Finally, export your subliminal. If you're on Davinci and exporting it as a video, the format must be QuickTime. If it's an audio, the format can be WAV or MP4. Now I will be teaching you how to layer. Do the same thing with writing your affirmations, but export them into different files like how I'm doing here. Then open up your program. Enter one file into the first layer, then enter the other file into the second layer. I like to space them a little bit apart so they be easily distinguishable to the subconscious mind. Now lower both of the volumes but make them different audio levels or different speeds if you like. That is all. Hope this video was helpful to you. Bye.